In this video, I'm going to share with you the top 3 ways that you can use to start working from home. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So if you're watching this video, most likely you want to know how you can start working from home and perhaps be your own boss. And I'm going to share with you some resources that can help you get on the right path if you're looking to work from home and actually become your own boss. Now, there's a lot of benefits of being able to work from home, not only being your own boss, but you actually get to manage your own time and you get a lot of tax benefits as well. So being able to work from home and being your own boss, it's one of the best things that I ever done, mainly because I don't have a boss screaming at me 8 hours a day, and I can manage my own hours. I can decide where and when I want to work. And the beauty about using the internet to be able to work from home is that you can work from pretty much anywhere, not just home. There's days that I just go and sit in a Starbucks and I can just drink some coffee and work for half an hour and then go do something else. Now, everyone would like to know how they can do the exact same thing. Everyone wants to know how they can work from home, spend more time with their family, being able to perhaps either make the same type of money that they're making at a regular job or make even more money working from home. So I want to share with you the top 3 ways that you can start working from home this year if you wanted to do that. And I'm going to link to some resources below so you can check them out and give you more information to put you in the right path to being able to be your own boss. One of the simplest ways to start working from home is to look for work from home jobs. And there's actually legitimate work from home jobs that you can get. And I'm going to link to this video right here, which is going to give you some of the top resources for you to find legitimate work from home jobs. And when I say legitimate, it's because there's a lot of scams out there of companies who claim that they can provide work from home jobs, but actually they're just trying to sell you something. So if you're looking for legitimate work from home jobs, watch that video. It's going to point you in the right direction. It's going to show you where to look for those jobs and some of the things that you need to know in order to apply. Now, for some of those jobs, you really don't need a lot of experience. You don't need a college degree or anything like that. All you need is to just do some simple tasks depending on what type of job you're looking for. But like I said, the resources, and there's actually legitimate companies paying people. There's a lot of work from home jobs like customer service jobs, data entry jobs, and many other jobs that really don't require you to be in a specific place. This is something that you can do in your own time from home. Now, the second way to start working from home is to become a freelancer. And this is something that I've done in the past when I actually needed money fast. A freelancer is basically that you work in a project for a specific amount of time and you do something for someone else and they pay you for your time or for that specific project. I've done this in the past and I've been able to make a few $1,000s doing freelancing work, meaning that you work with specific clients depending on what you need, what your skills are, and how much you're charging for your time. Now, there's a lot of freelancing websites out there. You don't need any experience to sign up. You can just go and sign up for any or all of these websites. And basically, once you sign up, you can start bidding on those projects. And if you get hired, then you can get paid for working on that project. You can make anywhere from $50 to $1,000 or more, depending on how big that project is or what your skill set actually is. So one of the best freelancing websites out there right now, it's called Upwork. You can go on Upwork, you can sign up for free. They have so many different categories of projects and freelancing services that they offer. And they're one of the biggest freelancing networks out there. That's because a lot of people who are looking to hire freelancers go to Upwork. And because they're so big and they have so much traffic and people using the website on a daily basis, if you start applying for 5-6 projects every single day, there is a chance that you will get at least 2 or 3 per month. I'm going to link in the description, I'm going to link to a video where I talk about how you can make money as a freelancer and some of the websites that you can use to make a full-time income. All right, so let's talk about the third way to work from home, and that is having your own business. This is basically where you work as an affiliate for products, or you have your own product that you sell For a time, I actually used to work with local business owners where I would provide SEO services and marketing services to small business owners, and they will pay me a monthly fee to handle all their marketing for their company. I would do this from home. I would only spend about 4 or 5 hours per week working for each business owner, and they would actually pay me a monthly retainer for my services. This is what I mean by having your own business. Now, if you have a product that you can sell, like a digital product, this is another way for you to work from home, because all your time will be spent on promoting that product, making sure that you're selling as many copies of that product as you possibly can so you can make more money. The other way to have your own business is using affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, in my opinion, one of the easiest ways to do it, mainly because you're not creating anything, you're not offering a service. All you're doing is promoting other people's stuff. Now, I do have a free affiliate marketing guide which you can download below. You can go and download it for free, where I show you the different ways that I make money with affiliate marketing, and I can make anywhere between $100 to $300 per day using affiliate marketing, promoting other people's stuff. This is how I've been able to work from home for the past few years, basically doing affiliate marketing, providing my own services, and doing some freelancing work. So I've been doing all three for the past few years, and you can advance depending on how much money you're making, how your business is going. You can move from one to the other, or you can use all three to just supplement your income and be able to turn it into a full-time income. So guys, those are the 3 ways that you can start working from home, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe, because I post videos like this every single week. If you did like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.